Coconut plantations are one of the most extensive plantations in Indonesia. Even coconut plantations in Indonesia are the second largest coconut plantations in the world after India, with an area of 2.3 million hectares. Coconut plantations are the most potential plantations because coconut trees have a lot of benefits. The coconut tree is often called the tree of life because all of its components can be further processed into various industrial products, one of which is coconut fiber. So far, coconut fiber is still considered as waste. Only the flesh of the fruit is widely used, so that its productivity is still low, even though overseas coconut fiber is part of coconut that produces high productivity through processing carried out, one of which is in India. Coconut fiber derivative products consist of several types, including cocoa fiber and cocoa peat. Cocoa fiber can be processed into ropes and door mats, while cocoa peat can be used as a growing medium for nurseries. Seeing this huge opportunity, Harkat Nusantara Company is present as a pioneer company in Indonesia in the business of processing coconut fiber finished products using machines. In addition, the company, whose factories are located in Lampung, Sulawesi and Java, is also known as a company that produces doormats from coconut fiber raw materials with the largest industrial scale in Indonesia. Not only as a producer that supplies cocoa peat to local companies, the Harkat Nusantara Company also exports finished goods from processed coconut fibers such as doormats and coir mats to Korea and Malaysia. Even now, the Navy is preparing to meet the demand for coconut-derived products from America, Australia and Qatar.